Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're here to talk about our product StarFin. StarFin was developed as an alternative to standard heating pipes, which had been used forever in the greenhouse industry. So as an alternative to the round steel heating pipes that people have been using forever, we developed our StarFin product. Each pipe has about 2 times the capacity of heating of a standard round 2-inch or 51 millimeter pipe. The other benefits are that it's much less water volume for the amount of heat transfer it gives. It's used commonly for heating the gutter lines in greenhouses and keeping the snow off and reducing humidity. It's also used around the perimeter of greenhouses as well as underneath the benches. It's easy to assemble with no special tools and comes with a family of special fittings that are inserted in the end of the piping. The way it gets assembled is to make sure that the end cuts are smooth, and we have a small deburring tool here that we'll use, which is provided with every system, and it just makes a nice place for the fitting to get entered. For the purpose of the video, I'm not going to use this white assembly grease, but that's what you normally use to lubricate the end of the fitting. It just goes in and stays in. The addition of our retaining strap product, which is tech screwed into the fin. The other fitting that's commonly used is the barb fitting, which goes to a flexible hose connection, and it is retained using this fin bracket, which mates up to the actual fin, the StarFin. StarFin is available in 2 sizes, one with the 1-inch inside diameter for standard applications, and for longer runs we have StarFin Plus, which has a much larger 1 1/4-inch inside diameter and has its own set of like fittings to accommodate its assembly. For more information on our products, visit our website, biothermsolutions.com, or click the link below.